I was trying to find a broker, somebody who could sell the business that has experience in selling my level of company. Just like when you try to find a realtor for a house, there's thousands of them out there, but to have somebody that has the knowledge and can get it done, that's a tough nut, especially when you look at the amount of money, the physical location where the factory was, which was a hindrance. You went to Mayberry, made a right, and went about 5 miles down the road in the middle of nowhere, and that's where it was. So, that was another problem, because if you were closer to a metropolitan area, you could find somebody who lived in the area and wanted to buy a business, but it's 2 hours from anywhere, like Lexington, Nashville, Louisville, Bowling Green. You're 2 hours from any of those areas, but so that was another factor that kind of limited us a little bit in some of the potential buyers.